Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2018 3500 GMC Denali. Comes with a 6.6 liter Duramax engine. Comes with your automatic headlights, 18-inch rims. Got your trailering mirrors here. I have them out right now. Of course, running boards are on it. Truck is in very, very good condition. We'll just walk around to the back here. It does have your park assist sensors. Just want to quickly show you the back here as well. It does come with a tonneau cover and a fifth wheel hitch. 20,000 pound rating on that. Go down the side here, we've got your easy steps for getting in the back. Again, you can see it's in really good shape all down the side. Overall, excellent condition. So I'm going to show you some of the features with this 2018 GMC Denali. But before I jump into the inside here, I just want to show you the driver's door. We have programmable seats, power adjusting and power folding mirrors, power locks, power windows, child locks, and child window locks. And with the Denali package, you do get the Bose sound system, so very, very nice system. Just before I jump in, it does come with the molded GMC floor mats as well, so a nice little touch there. So I'll jump inside and show you the rest of the features. So I'm inside this 2018 GMC Denali 3500, and just want to go over some of the features of the interior. Over here quickly, we have your trailer brake control, your four-wheel drive, and then you have your auto headlights here, as I mentioned outside. So over to the steering wheel, we have controls on the back for your radio. We have your cruise control buttons here, your forward collision alert, heated steering wheel. Bluetooth controls here, and then you have your driver information center controls up front. So the Denali does come with the digital cluster up front as well, which is unique to the Denali. So moving across here, we've got cooled and heated seats on the front. We have your radio, which has projection, so you can project your phone apps up on the screen. Of course, it has AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also comes with navigation, which is always a great feature to have. Now, being a 2018, it does come with a CD player. And down below, we have your dual zone climate control. Below that, we have pedal adjustment. We have your traction stability track control, cargo light. You can disable your backup sensors here. This is lane departure alert. And then you have an exhaust brake for towing as well. This also comes with elevated idle for warming it up in the winter. Down below here, we have 120 volt, 12 volt, and then your USB ports. It does come with cordless wireless charging, and then we have lots of space in there with more the USB ports. Up top here, we have programmable garage door opener. We have your controls for your sunroof as well. And then also here, just before I leave the front, does come with our OnStar package, which is part of our safety program. Also, I just want to show you the Denali stitching here before we move to the back. But Cocoa Dune Dark Sand Interior is the interior color. Overall, the front looks to be in very good condition. Let's go check out the back. So here in the back seat of this 2018 GMC Sierra Denali package, and it's 3500. Back seat looks to be in excellent condition as well. Lots of extra space here, and it does come with the molded floor mats in the back as well. But very good condition in the back seat. Also wanted to point out the power sliding window as well, which you can control from up front. So there you have it, 2018 GMC 3500 Denali. This truck has been well maintained, and it has just over 54,000 kilometers. So it's pretty much a like new truck. We got a price right at $71,995. If you'd like to test drive this vehicle, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328.